Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and these are the amazing LG 32-inch Ultra Gear gaming monitors. I actually love it so much that I got two of them for myself. And let me tell you, the quality of the image is incredible. The colors are very vibrant. The image is very crisp and clear. I do a lot of gaming, so these monitors are just incredible for that. Also, just for watching movies, the quality of the video is amazing. And even though I'm not using them right now, the stands that it comes with are super sturdy. I like that you can move your monitor around if you need to. For example, you can adjust the height of the monitor. You can also tilt it up and down depending on how your desk is set up. And you can even rotate the monitor to have it in a vertical mode if you need to. So I really want to recommend this awesome Ultra Gear 32-inch monitor by LG. It has been working incredible so far. I think it's a great price for what you get, and that is my point of view.